Hey guys, if the coffee maker gives you a message to empty the drip tray, here's how you do it. There's a handle right here. You're going to open the machine by pulling towards you. Pull out the drip tray. First step is you're going to empty any grindings into the trash. To lift off the top of the drip tray, you're going to release these two orange buttons by pulling them towards the outside and lifting it off. Very important when you empty the liquid from the drip tray, empty it out the back so that no water or moisture comes in contact with those metal brackets.
Go.
Dry everything out, wipe it clean as best you can. And then important when you're putting the lid back on, this flap needs to go underneath that tab. And then you're going to push it down until the orange pieces lock into place. Put the grind tray back into place, and then slide the drip tray back into the machine and push it until it clicks. You can close the front cover.